Hello everybody. Well, it's gonna do a little video today. It has been sneaking snowing for feels like all weekend. Today's Monday, it's a holiday, but I can't believe how much snow we've got. It seems like this country go from one extreme to the other on weather-wise, but we've had several dry years in a row, so we're really happy to have this snow. But I've been pushing snow a little bit. We fed cows earlier today, and I got to put the tire chains on the backhoe. I was going to just go over this with you guys because I've learned something over the last couple years. Maybe it helps somebody. So the beauty of having the backhoe is I got the outriggers down and the tires off the ground. So I'll just put the tire chains on, kind of show you guys some things and what I've learned. And I can't even remember where I learned this. Maybe it's a YouTube deal, but this is a bicycle inner tube, and I use this as almost like a tensioner on the tire chains for the backhoe. So I'll show you what I got. So with the tractor in neutral, I just laid the set of chains on top of it, and I just kind of walk them around. Of course, everything's big and heavy, so it's a pain, but still, with the backhoe having the tire off the ground, it's not too bad. So what I try to do is get the inside as tight as I can get it. It looks like I might have got a little too tight. I'm having a hard time getting this outside buckled. I got them on there pretty tight. I like to use wire to wire this, turn that camera down just a little bit. I just wire this inner tube to the chains. So this is just a wire that I left on the chains from the last time I had it on there. So that little bit of slack on the inside of the chains, you need to wire that up too. You know, there's only like 3 or 4 links, but for me, I got these fenders that are fairly close, so I like to put a little piece of wire on that. So it's just nothing but a giant pain. You just have to work yourself around that and get all those wires on. But it sure makes it better with the chains as you're plowing. All right, guys. Well, here you can see it. Got might probably got to adjust that one a little bit. Maybe I'll do that. But it's amazing how much headache that saves you with those tire chains. If they're tight, they stay snug. You guys have any comments, please leave them. I mean, I'm not an expert at this. I've done this 3 or 4 times now, or 3 or 4 different winters, I should say. And it's pretty amazing. An old 2-wheel drive backhoe like this with tire chains on, it is unbelievable the difference on how good you can go. You know, feeding cows, got a lot of weight on the front and take the weight off the back. It's amazing how much difference it makes. So anyway, I better get to plowing. Thanks for watching.